Quite simply, the best shave of your life. 22 months, 3 replacement blades, 0 cuts, 0 nicks, 0 worry. Okay, Juan Valdez called and says he wants his look back. So here we go. All right, so here is a clear benefit of one blade. Right around my lip here. In the corner here where the lips meet. Hair has a tendency of growing in all different directions. So to really make sure you get that nice and clean, this is invaluable because it doesn't hurt. You don't fear being nicked. In fact, I've done this in the past. I'm shaving with the face. I'm using the face of this razor and going over these lips. So you can go up under the lip or up under the hair near the lip. And make sure you're getting it. You see? So I have the little hairs there. More passes means more irritation with a traditional razor. When there's no irritation, you can attack it from all different sides and not worry that you're going to be red or it's going to hurt or you're going to get cut. One blade, boy. And it takes a minute to learn how to use this. It's a little bit of a different technique, but I have a nice, smooth, easy, nick-free shave. I didn't need to buy lathers or creams. I didn't need to wash my face. I use it in my ears. Hair grows everywhere except on the top of my damn head. I don't know why. And they're combs or little attachments that you can put in if you want to manicure your, other areas or your beard if you grow a full beard out. But it's just a magnificent device. Quite simply, the best shave you're ever going to get. Doesn't do everything, but it does dispatching long stubble incredibly well. There you go. See you clowns next time. Run it underwater, in the shower, in the car, one blade. I am bullish on one blade. I should be the one blade You know what? If you valued my one blade videos, if you value the information I've given you, send Phillips Norelco a note and let them know they need to make me the one blade man. That offer is available. I could be the one blade man. I have a spot. See you next time. Keep pushing play.